This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures and the EAS operating handbook for a national-level emergency. The President of the United States, or his designated representative, will send a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. We interrupt your programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcasts and cable systems should transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WABC-TV. We will continue to serve the New York City metropolitan area. If you're not in this local area, you should tune to a station providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the New York City metropolitan area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. The following message is transmitted to the request of the United States government, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, and the Google Corporation. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. This is a national emergency. There has been reports of rioting all across the United States. This is likely due to the new age verification update on YouTube that bans every channel on the site if they are under 18 and to use personal information for them. People are looting and rioting all across the United States due to this new update. Over millions of people across the country have been participating in the riots. All residents of the United States are advised to stay indoors and keep all windows and doors locked. Do not participate in the riots. You will be arrested. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this very dangerous situation. This is an emergency action termination. The riots that have been happening across the United States due to the age verification update on YouTube has ended. Police across the country have successfully arrested the rioters. However, YouTube is now shut down until further notice due to this riot. Over 1 million of people have been arrested for destruction of property across the United States. Your government thanks you for your cooperation. Normal programming can now resume.